Today, Cabinet met under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, a major decision to start 210 megawatt Luhari hydro power project was taken. This is with the investment of 1,810 crore rupees. This will generate, every year it will generate 75 crore units. This will be done by Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam on the principle of boom, build, own, operate and maintain. This will be supported by central and state governments. This will be completed in 5 years and the electricity generation will start from there on. This is because it is a renewable energy, it's a clean energy. It ultimately impacts into reduction of carbon emissions. It will provide jobs to 2,000 people, and Himachal will get free power to the tune of 1,140 crore rupees. And project affected persons, the families, will get 100 units per month for 10 years. So that will be. We have also passed today one agreement and 3 MOUs between India and Israel, India, England on the health sector, and India, England on the cooperation in the field of telecommunication and ICTs, and India and Spain in the field of astrophysics. So this is important. It was also discussed that the economy is coming on track at a more speed than expected. There are many indicators which are very positive. GST collection in October, which is more than the October last year, is 1,05,000 crores. The power demand has increased by 12%. And as you know, this year the demand for power from agricultural sector was less because of very good rains and because of agitations and not fully operational, railway demand for power was also less. Despite these two facts, 12% increase in power indicates a complete return to normalcy on the production sector in major sectors. There is a sustainable development of demand in all fields. The input purchase for manufacturing is rising. The steel and other sectors are witnessing growth both in export and demand. Digital transactions have increased exponentially. Railway freight in October has increased by 15%, despite, as I said, that stoppage of railway at some places. Second quarter growth of listed companies, where profits and turnover both are increased. Investment FDI, that also both indicators have increased. So thus, it is very clear that our economy is coming on track despite the pandemic we have gone through and the world has experienced.